i35equipment.com. The stock number 210, it's a Caterpillar 315FL hydraulic track excavator. This machine has a lot of really cool features, including the hydraulic progressive thumb that meshes perfectly with the Caterpillar bucket. Also has a Caterpillar hydraulic quick attach system, so swapping out buckets is nice and convenient. Has a hydraulic fill blade for cleaning up after yourself and filling in those trenches. It is illegal though, so you should be issued. Just go out to our website, contact or email if you'd like a hauling quote. We'll share an address with several local haulers on Nationwide Broker. Give out your best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. And we're happy to have you out to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. Just give us a shout to get on the calendar. Just want to make sure we're here and have the gate unlocked for you. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment just sitting around, we can help you get it sold. We have folks all over the country looking for good rework equipment. You can learn more about our consignment service on the website or give us a call. Happy to visit with you about it. This machine has switchable control patterns, ice-cold air conditioning. It does have the standard undercarriage with the bolt-on rubber pads. That way you can offload in the street without tearing up the concrete and asphalt. That's not quite the bucket you need for the current job. We do have a large inventory of new and used buckets. You can see them all on the website, i35equipment.com. This machine has no active codes or issue lights. You're welcome to come inspect it for yourself, like I said, though. Travel speeds for getting across the job site or pasture a little quicker. We'll let him get parked. We'll check everything out, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and look around inside there. See, it has 7 teeth and cutting wing, or 8 cutting wing there. Progressive thumb is super heavy duty built. We tested the quick attach and it works just like it should. You see here it has these valves for your auxiliary hydraulics, so you can swap between running fluid to your hydraulic thumb down to running fluid to your other attachment. Really nice feature. You just need to use a wrench to turn these on and off. That way you don't have to unhook hoses and lose a bunch of oil. Go ahead and climb up and take a look at the engine. That looks really nice and straight. Good glass. this over, you have access to your pattern control valve. So whether you prefer backhoe or excavator controls, easy to change. Turn these work lights off. Gauges all look good. There's your two different pattern controls on the Legend. There's your brake control, your throttle, and other switches, including the hydraulic quick attach system. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Happy to visit with you. Have a great day.